Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another makeup look for you guys, and it's basically just a simple green eye using this very palette right here. This is my Makeup Revolution Iconic Division palette, and you lot can see what it's done, innit? But yeah guys, I am back, finally back. I haven't uploaded in the longest time, but I hope you're happy to see me back here. How have you been? Because I've been really good. I've just been enjoying my summer. I've just been working, all of that good stuff. But without further ado, let's get into this video. Starting today, I'm going to be priming my face using my Grvm Matte Poreless Primer, and I'm just going to add that to my T-zone. Basically, these are the areas where I get really oily, and for my oily sisters out there, you want to make sure that, you know, use a matte primer. Oh, my lips are a bit dry, so I'm gonna quickly pop some Vaseline on my lips. And to prime my eyes today, I'm going to be using a Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and this is in the shade C1. And I've gone for a lighter colour because, you know, I want my eyeshadow to pop. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of that to my eyelid. And then use a beauty blender and blend it in. Actually, I'm not going to use a beauty blender today. I'm going to go in with a concealer brush. Not really a concealer brush, but like a blending brush kind of thing. And I'm just going to dab that in. For my transition colour today, I'm going to be using... I'm going to go in with this colour. And I'm just going to use a small brush and just pack that onto my lid. Basically, this is going to help set my concealer as well. The colour doesn't really show much, but you just got to keep on packing it in, like so. Do the same thing to the other eye. Oh my god, my concealer is starting to crease. No, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Then I'm going to go in with this orange shade, and I'm going to be using a small crease brush and just blend the edges basically. I mean, I don't know if y'all can see the difference, but you get the gist. The secret to a good eyeshadow is blending, guys. If you blend your eyeshadow, I'm not going to say too much in it. So now I'm going to move on to this shade, and I'm going to be using that same angled brush. I'm going to add that to my crease, basically. You just want to keep it in here, into the crease, and just blend your life away. See that nice blend? That's what we want. And then I'm going to go back in with a clean blending brush and just blend everything together, like so. The next shade I'm going to be using is this shade, and I'm going to be using the same crease brush and just apply that into my crease. It's just to deepen it up even more before I cut the crease, basically. I'm going for like a half cut crease today. You want to go back into that yellow shade and just blend everything in again. I'm going to be using this shade right here, and then I'm going to add that to the outer corners using my first brush, and then I'm gonna go back in with the crease brush and just blend it in. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease using the same concealer I used to prime my eyes. And I'm gonna be using my Zoe Eva spot liner brush, and then I'm gonna use that to cut my crease. To be fair, this is my first time using this really small one, so if I mess it up, I tried. I'm gonna be going into this shade, and then I'll just apply that to where I cut the crease basically. And then I'm gonna go back into this shade and just blend it together. To be honest, I feel like adding a little bit of glitter to this look, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my gold glitter. I got this off eBay, and I'm gonna be using my eyeliner glue and just, yeah, just glue it. So I'm just gonna place that in the outer corners here, just a little bit. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the glitter. I quite like this. I quite like this. So for lashes today, I'm gonna be using my K-Beauty lashes, and this is in Bows. Ooh, these lashes, honestly, just take a quick look at them. Look at how nice they look, and I am in love with the packaging. Like, damn, they took their time. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pop them on, and I'll be right back. I would like everyone to gather around because I've got an announcement to make. Basically, if you haven't got these lashes yet, you need to go get yourself some, because bruh, just have a quick look at these. Like, what? Nah, I'm not even gassing it. Like, if you haven't checked these lashes out yet, make sure you go check out K-Beauty on Instagram. And I really like these lashes because they're not too long and they're not too short. And yeah, if you're going for like a quick glam, you can wear this. If you're going for an everyday makeup look, girl, you've got yourself sorted with lashes. Like, so yeah guys, I'm just gonna move on to my face. And for foundation today, I'm gonna be using my what foundation am I using today? Today I'm gonna be using my Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F16. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it in using my beauty blender, beauty sponge even. I might as well be doing a full face using Makeup Revolution because I just seem to be picking up Makeup Revolution products today. But anyway, so foundation today, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C13. I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C16. It's not really a contour shade. It's basically a shade that is maybe close to my skin tone or a little bit darker. Just to, you know, bring that colour back to my face. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using my Sacha Buttercup. I'm just pressing it in first, and then I'm going to be using a brush later on to just dust it off. And then I'm going to go ahead and use one of these pointy brushes from Real Techniques and just dust it off. To set the rest of my face today, I'm going to be using my Black Opal setting powder. And I'm going to go ahead and use my Revolution Pro Fix and just spray my face. Shake it a little bit and then just... I'm going to go ahead and add this shade to my bottom lash. This always makes my eyes water. And God knows why. For highlight today, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution highlighter. Also going to add some to the bridge of my nose. This bit. I'm going to be using a matte lipstick today, and this lipstick is from Case. It's an Instagram brand. I'm going to link it down below. And this is in Cocoa, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips first, and I'm gonna pop that on my lip. I'm just using a brown lip pencil from one of those hair shops, and yeah. And this is the finished look, guys. I really do hope you like it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Comment, share, like, all of that good stuff. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.